I think Ria, we waiting for you. Awesome. Thank you.
Hi, good
Hi. Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
good morning.
So you go by Abhineet. So a quick introduction about myself. My name is Abhineet, and I work as customer success account manager at Adobe. So today I'll be helping you guys with the group discussion. So I hope you are very
Yes.
clear that we're participating in a mock group discussion today. So I'll be
Yes, sir.
sharing the rules and how we'll be going about it. So basis that we can start. So are you guys all ready? Any thoughts before that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Perfect. So just quick, rules and regulations. And just before that, Abhishek sir, are we expecting anybody else, or it's a full house? Okay, we can start, right? Thank you. Great. So we'll have two rounds of group discussions. And first would be a preliminary, where I'm not giving any guidance to you, and we'll just kickstart with the topic. Basis that you'll receive certain feedbacks, and post the feedback. We'll give you some time to, just take the breather, and then we'll kickstart the second one. So both will be roughly 30 minutes, in which so for the starts, once the topic is given to you, you'll get 30 seconds each to share your opening sentences, what your opening thoughts are. After that, like one by one, you'll be sharing your opening thoughts. And after that, we'll give you a flow for 10 minutes for the open discussion. So it's going to be up to you how you navigate. And eventually, you'll have to come down to a conclusion, and basis that, we'll see where exactly we are looking forward to. Okay. And first, I hope you guys had a chance to, view the instructions shared by the team.
Yes, sir.
So I think it was mentioned that you all had to be in business formals.
Yes,
So I think Aditya, just to be for the starters, I think that's a miss on your part. You had to be in the business formals. So to be very honest, guys, start taking the mocks pretty seriously, as this is a step towards your eventual final interview. And speaking with experience, I mean, starting from your clothing, or the way you breathe, or the way you speak, everything is going to be counted. So I think that is something which you should have been very mindful of. So yeah, I mean, I don't think we can do anything at this point of time, but that is something which needs to be taken care into the notice. Anyway, so I hope it's clear. When we start the topic, 30 seconds to everyone for their quick thoughts, and after that, 10 minutes floor open for all your discussion. And post that, we'll move towards conclusion, wherein we'll go 30 seconds each, one by one. So any doubts over here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Perfect. All right. So, are you guys ready for the topic?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. So, the topic is will ChatGPT kill search engines or transform them? So, you have 3 minutes to formulate quick thoughts, and post that, we'll start with random one by one intro. Arpita, we had to be on the camera. I'm not sure if we lost you or if you're still a part of the discussion. Arpita, you still there with us? Great. So time's up. So we'll go by one intro, 30 seconds each. So Aditya,
Yeah.
you first.
Morning, sir. So my name is Aditya. So my take on the situation is that ChatGPT, that AI, will slowly kill the search engines, because as we all know that during a parents' time, like during a generation a decade earlier, the people used to write mails and all that, and letters and all that. But with the upcoming, people for information, you used to read books, newspapers and all. But now, like in our generation, we started using search engines like Google, Yahoo and all, Firefox and all. So basically, we, each and every generation, find a new way of using the technology. For our generation, we are a mix of both. That, like, we'll use the search engines and we'll use the ChatGPT both. But for the upcoming generation, as you can see, like, people are inculcating more and more AI into the softwares. For example, just a very short example, but now you can see that Samsung in their new phones, they are also inculcating AI. Initially, they had Samsung Bixby and Apple had Siri, now which is overtaken by AI. So basically, in my opinion, that AI will outdate the new old technology and will be the next big thing.
We're moving to Ria.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I stand against the topic, that is that ChatGPT is not here to kill search engines. Both of them are actually programs run on algorithms, but the difference is that ChatGPT is basically to give us a human interaction, a conversational search, whereas search engines are here so that we can get all the information, everything from videos to images and everything to about any topic, websites related to that topic, whatever we are searching. Whereas ChatGPT is here to assist us, to enhance our search process. It is basically to, I believe, is that they both complement each other.
Priyanshi, over to you.
Yes, sir. So I would like to stand against the argument because I think that ChatGPT, as a platform, does not kill the search engine, but also enhances it by providing us a platform where we can directly chat with AI. So in search engine like Google and Yahoo.com, we can only search about the particular topic, but on ChatGPT, we the conversation gets more interactive, and so it goes on.
Arpita, over to you. We can't hear you. You're on mute.
Hi everyone, my name is Anita, and my stand on the take is I don't think chat is now gonna change the way we are using the search engines, or it is just gonna make it more efficient in the near future, because I don't think we know the possibilities and the future aspects of what ChatGPT can bring to the table in next few years or so. But my stand take is particularly like when I speak about ChatGPT, it basically gives you the answer to your queries. It does not go to the web. It does not go and crawl through all the websites and get the efficient data. But when we are using any search engine, it will basically go and scroll all the website, get the required information, and then we can just look after the information that we need. Even like Aditya said, that we used to write the emails in the starting. But if I am a very active user of ChatGPT. So when I'm, my inputs
We are good.
are
We are good.
automatic. there.
So now you guys have the floor for 10 minutes for the open discussion. So what do you guys?
I completely agree with Arpita, whatever she said about ChatGPT helping us. It does not give us the whole information. Eventually, ChatGPT end up giving us the links we need. It just is help us, guides us. It just gives you a gist or a head start, just like what Priyanshi said.
Certainly, I agree with Ria because the answers of ChatGPT are totally dependent on the inputs that you are giving to them. But when it comes to Chrome, even if I write a small word, like it does not need me to enter a whole input. I can just write yesterday's news, and it will give me a whole new, pages with all the news, everything. When it comes to email, like I said, I am an active user of ChatGPT when it comes to the email, but my emails, which I'm trying to use by ChatGPT, are coldly dependent what I am trying to
Input
write.
you're giving.
Exactly, the input I give. But when I'm trying the same email on Chrome, I have plenty of options to choose from, and then I can write my own email, the own content. Search engines won't be replaced, but certainly they can just be better by the use of ChatGPT.
In my opinion, that it will depend on the future generation, because as I said, we use both. So we'll keep on using both the browser and the GPT. But the upcoming generation, as you can see, that they're only seeing the GPT thing. Like, obviously don't know what the search engines are, but basically they are more used to the chat GPT and the AI stuff. So in my opinion, in the long term, it will just zone out and all those things. It will not be relevant in the upcoming future, in my opinion.
Yeah, it depends on how the person is using. Everything depends on how they use. A thing can be a blessing and also like both
Pain.
the results can. Depends on how you use it.
Yes, I think the upcoming generation is more like they want a spot on answer. They don't want to waste their time in searching the articles
Yes.
on Chrome and Google.
And Google, yeah, go ahead.
No, please, Aditya, please.
Yeah, and if you search on Google, that you will see that like I search for whatever college I'm searching for, first they'll give me ads, like sponsored ads and all. So I think that those ads are a waste of time, in my opinion. If you've seen that they are very sponsored ads and things, like if I wanted to search about one thing, firstly I get at least 5 to 6 links of the ads which are sponsored, which are paid to the Google to promote their ad. I think that search engines, that thing is very annoying to me, in my opinion.
Like taking your example, Aditya, but if you also write 4 in ChatGPT has limited database. It won't be able to give you every information about 4 college. Eventually, you'll have to search it on Google and then visit the website.
No, I'm not saying that it's not good. Browsers are good, but they're too extent. Now I feel that I'm wasting my time if I'm scrolling on Google rather than going to ChatGPT and searching for it.
But then ChatGPT is not a crawler, so it won't always go.
It won't be able to help you. It will be able to assist you.
Yeah. End of the day, I'll have to search for Google only. Yeah.
At the end of the day, you have to use any search engine, and of course,
more extensive information.
If I see the business perspective of the same, it is very important to know that business are using the search engines to do their SEO, to run paid campaigns, so that people like us know about their brand or to know about their business, which the current position which is at, it won't be, it don't have that feature to be enabled. Like in ChatGPT, you just cannot go and like top B schools in India. You will just get the list of 10 searches that are already pre-programmed in ChatGPT, because that
is based on ChatGPT's data. Yeah. So Priyanshi, go ahead.
Yeah, you won't get the detailed search on all the B schools and the information about placements and all the specializations. You won't get on ChatGPT.
On ChatGPT, you will get the data based on its database, the limited database it has. Whereas if you search it on Google, you'll get to visit all the websites which are based on the thing you have searched. You'll be able to visit every website which has the data.
And
won't
the
be
links,
limited.
if they are correlated links, if I search
Yeah.
for I search the XLRI, so if XLRI conducted any job in the past, so it also give me that lucky this person came there for this session, which of course I won't say ChatGPT does not have that potential. It may have that potential in the near future because we don't know what future holds. We even did not know there's something called ChatGPT like 20 years ago. So I don't know what the future holds. But at the present scenario, I see ChatGPT, I see that can anyhow replace the search engine in coming 5-10 years.
Okay, guys, let's wrap up. Let's move towards conclusion. So you'll have 30 seconds to conclude the discussion. We'll go one by one. So Priyanshi, why don't you go first?
So I think based on this topic, the argument, I think that ChatGPT is both a blessing and a boon for us, because like already mentioned, we can't get the detailed information on ChatGPT, but at the same time, if we want like quick answers, or like we don't have time for the detailed answers or to search through topics, then we can go to ChatGPT.
Aditya, over to you.
So in my opinion, after all this conversation, like initially I was like, ChatGPT will kill browser, but it will take time. Like it will take at least 2 decades to take over the browser and anything, but eventually it will take over, in my opinion.
Riya, over to you.
After considering everybody's point, we have come to this conclusion, according to me, is that ChatGPT in current scenario is here to assist, is working as a complementary with search engine. In the near future, maybe it will be able to kill search engines depending upon the generation or the people using it.
Arpita, your thoughts?
So my theme is that ChatGPT and search engine are 2 different aspects when it comes to the online mode, and we cannot compare them because both of them have their different possibilities of exploration. And when it comes to search engine and ChatGPT, I don't think ChatGPT can any day change how we use search engine in the near future.
Do you still think you had 15 seconds? Any more thoughts?
Yeah, so of course, ChatGPT is here to assist us for everything, for every data that we need, but it's not going to replace how we are using the search engines in the present scenario, especially when it comes to the power that search engine holds of exploring all the information.
All right. So before we move on to the feedback from my end, I would like to know, what was your feeling about the GD which you've given?
I think
so. Like it was good, but on my part, and no my fault that I'm saying words again and again rather than speaking fluently. I'm thinking and uttering words rather than speaking fluently, in my opinion.
What about the rest?
I don't think people have articulated my ideas in, and yeah, I should have spoken about some summarize, especially when it came to the conclusion. Summarize it in a better way about all my thoughts. I could have articulated it better.
For me, I think so. I need to give a more structured answer. I speak before thinking, so I have to take 2 minutes. I got overactive and to grab the opportunity to speak. So I started speaking, and then later in my mind, I am structurizing my sentences. So I have to work on that.
I think, in my opinion, I just needed like more points to in my argument, more topics too.
Perfect. So I hope you will be comfortable with brutal and honest feedback.
Yes.
Yeah, let's keep this conversation a little candid so that we can connect well, and we can help you to excel in the GD part better. So
yes, sir.
In my opinion, I think the GD was really bad. As a group, we did not stay on the content. I did not see anybody bringing one single valid point. And I think we are just too casual in our attitude. The note goes for everybody, but at least some of us are really casual. So, Arpita, which college exactly are you targeting?
IMT and etc.
Now think of this, that you've been starting to mix Hindi in your speeches. Did you realize that?
No.
Ki maine, ki main. So you started saying words like this. It's very informal. And you just cannot afford to do this in a group discussion. Plus, it's not just only for you. I'm not putting you on a spotlight. I'm just pointing
Yes, yes.
But even the body language, it really reflects कि तुम बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो और तुम्हारे अंदर confidence कितना है. So with you specifically, Arpita, I felt like it's like, in a friends group sitting and we're having a chit chat together. So not again, it's just like you need to work upon your connecting words and then your fluency, and also that you bring a little formalness in your attitude. So that is something which I thought was missing in you. In terms of you, Aditya, what I would say is you're not repeating just the words, but your points are also repetitive.
Yes, sir.
As a group, guys, मतलब तुम्हारा opening statement था. अब जैसे तुमने essays तो लिखे हैं ना, तो जब essays लिखते हो उसमें कैसे होता है कि हमारा पहले एक opening statement होता है. We discuss exactly, topic में है क्या, हम क्या क्या बात कर सकते हैं. You just give the headlines only. You just have 30 seconds. I gave the floor to you guys for 10 minutes of open discussion and it was really messed up. I don't think that you guys are very good at par with the general knowledge as well and as to how things are flourishing. You got so many points to speak. Why did I pick ChatGPT in specific? It could have been any generative AI. ये तो सबको भी पता है कि ChatGPT was the one of the technical portals which gained 1 million subscribers in 5 days, which was the fastest so far.
Yes, sir.
Did we include facts? Do you guys even use ChatGPT or any such new tools like this? Do you know how it functions? Where it gets its data from? तो मुझे लगा ओवरऑल हम कंटेंट में बहुत लो थे, हमारा एटीट्यूड बहुत ही इनफॉर्मल था. It was not something I would want to take it up to the colleges. And Priyanshi, you looked very blank throughout the discussion. So I say that, even your expressions carry some sort of confidence or some sort of, it just reflects your attitude as to what you feel inside. So the moment you walk inside the room, that's when people start judging you. With your walk or the way you talk, or even if, when others are speaking, तुम्हारा क्या expression होता है, even that's going to be counted. So it's not just that you did not have enough content, it even reflected on your face. So जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बार बार बोलो, आप 2 बार बोल के भी शांत हो सकते हो. But when you speak for those 2 times, it should come with full enthusiasm, rigor, and that positiveness in your attitude. And when I talk about you, Ria, I think your conclusion and opening was not so great. And I think you took the lead, which is good. मतलब I think आपने कुछ videos देखी होंगी जिसमें आपको पता होगा कि lead लेने के brownie points होते हैं. But then there is a way you start the lead.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So you just started speaking. Probably that, so I would want to bring some light on this particular topic, and I would want to talk about XYZ things. So I think तुम लोग के फ्लोर पे 1-2 पॉइंट्स आए और तुम वही घुमाए जा रहे थे, and everybody ignored the entire set of questions. Plus, I think in one of those, while Aditya was speaking, you answered with not a smile but with a laugh. You had that sense of laughter, and then you started speaking your point. So having a smile and a positive attitude is good, but again, it should not come out as that you're walking to somebody. Does it make sense? तो वो चीज मुझे लगी. Any thoughts with this?
So what points we could have added in the discussion, like?
So let's say, when you talk about this ChatGPT and search engine usage, I would talk about how quickly it gained its acceptance. So that basically talks about the psychology of people, that they are really aggressive upon the AI part. Then when you talk about, comparing this by killing search engines or transforming them, I mean, just simply understand, when you talk about killing the search engines via ChatGPTs, why would it do that? Because ChatGPT is something which is getting easy to the people. It's getting answers really quick. It's making the research pretty easy. So that's the very reason it's killing. However, at the same time, if I talk about how is it transforming it, where is ChatGPT getting all of its data? I mean, that's not just a machine made very convenient to you just to talk. So how do you get the data from? You get the data only from the search engines.
Yes, sir.
But do you think that this concept was clear to you guys?
Now it's more clear after the points you said.
Correct. So, I mean, what I would say is that you required some bit of GK. I mean, this is something which you should have known. And specifically ChatGPT, why? Because OpenAI was very much into the talks. Starting from the CEO getting fired and then rehired. I mean, why all of that? And it's the, most accepted tech portal or let's say SaaS solution ever. So this should have been known to you guys. But keeping this aside, keeping the topic in content aside, I think आप लोगों का ना overall behavior और overall attitude जो था, वो बहुत ही informal था. I mean, I heard it from Arpita. Which all B schools are we targeting here? Like Riya, Priyanshi, Aditya.
So IMT Ghaziabad, IMI and 4.
Okay. What about you, Priyanshi?
IMT Ghaziabad, IMI and 4.
And what about you?
Aditya? 4 and Great Lakes, Chennai.
So, see, it's not like you're targeting all easy and, very soft colleges that it's going to be a very easy way for you. Eventually, you guys are competing with each other. So either, one of you will be the person doing the MBA from there, or probably you'll be the batchmate, so nobody gets in there. As of now, the group stands rejected. Understand the crux of an activity which you do. हम GD क्यों कर रहे हैं? GD होता क्यों है? ये पता है आपको? Why is this?
To discuss and come to a conclusion about a topic by considering everybody's points, their opinions, their perspectives, so that we take, like, while discussing, we are able to get to know everybody's perspective. It's just not limited to ours or just one or two people's, so that we can make a better conclusion, a better decision.
Do you think you guys were constructive enough while you were discussing? तुम पता है क्या कर रहे थे? एक ही बंदे के पॉइंट को ना again and again repeat कर दिए जा रहे थे. So that is something which I felt. You were not constructing on each other's thoughts. You were not developing again, upon each other's thoughts. So eventually, I did not feel कि ये कहीं भी discussion किसी direction में जा रहा है. You guys were directionless, and I wanted to shut this off within 4 minutes itself, because I think after first 2 to 3 minutes, your points were just repeating. Plus, at the same time, जैसे ये बोलते हैं कि start करना gets you a brownie point, it's not entirely true. Obviously, it does, because it shows that, you're quite a bit of leader. Correct. You are an initiator. At the same time, collaboration is very important. And as a manager, as a leader, you would want your entire team to collaborate. So probably, not again, it's not, just an hypothetical scenario, not putting you on a spot, Aditya. If I feel that you're not speaking enough, I would want to say that, probably my vision, my thought, and my perspective over it. And then I'm going to loop in Aditya by saying that, I think let's hear it from Aditya, what contribution he has to make over here. Things like these.
Like, so you're trying to say that we should first finish our point and then give the mic to the other person.
Not the mic, but actually I should see that intent. Let's say Priyanshi wasn't speaking much. So I would have yielded probably my end thought to her, like, what is your perspective onto it? So that in a way shows a bit of leadership spirit which you have, that you would want to take the entire group together. And I think, Aditya, you're way too casual. I mean, see, when you start the discussion, I mean, my first interaction with you, not wearing a business formal, I mean, everybody else is ready. Why not you?
So sorry, I forgot today. Next time it will happen.
Apart from that, do you guys have a pen and paper?
Yes.
So, I mean, that is something which really should reflect upon. I mean, why do we give the pen and paper? Why do we expect you guys to have it? ताकि जब ये तुम्हें
Jot down the points.
टॉपिक मिले, just jot down certain pointers to kickstart. पता है क्या हो रहा था? I don't know what you guys did in the 3 minutes, but nobody was clear as to किसको क्या बोलना है. So it was not articulated well. And when it was not
Yes.
articulated while you guys were speaking it, it was very evident. So if we go by this attitude, I'm sure we're not getting anywhere. That's for sure. And I think IMT Ghaziabad remains to be a common college amongst all of you guys, and it's not easy to get in there. The competition is really tough. The stakes are high, and you got to be a shark to get in there. And plus, Arpita, you really need to work upon the connecting words which you use. हम इंग्लिश में बात करते करते बाइलिंगुअल नहीं हो सकते.
Sure.
Correct? And everybody, like all of you, I think one of the common observation was that you had a lot of fillers. 5 सेकंड रुक लो, सोच लो, फिर बोलो. And get a little bit thorough with, you know, all the current affairs. And probably since it's a GD for you, probably just put on Google, you know, current affair topics for GD. So there could be either current affair topics or abstract topics. This was an abstract one. And trust me, this is the easiest one. Does it make sense to all of you?
Yes.
Cool. So,
So I have few points. Like if we are discussing during a group discussion, can I add a question? Sometimes I wanted to point this out that many people are also arguing that ChatGPT is not only going to replace search engine, it is replacing human also, like jobs and human, like human effect. So if I should I say that during group discussion, add a question?
it depends on how you articulate. Like if I were in your place, probably I could have actually stated in a way that, you know, ChatGPT and so forth, that any generative AI portal is gaining acceptance to an extent that there has been a debate that it might just replace humans and all the jobs which we have in the market. So that really shows the inclination of people which they have towards portals like ChatGPT. And further concluded towards the point that, you know, the acceptance is to an extent that people would want to move away from the search engines and come to the generative AI portals.
Okay.
However, the discussion was that whether it is making or breaking it, or is it going towards hand in hand.
Okay.
But we did not touch base on it. So Aditya started his opening statement saying that, you know, in our parents' generation, they used to read a lot of newspaper. And now in our generation, we've got ChatGPT and search engines. And moving forward, it's going to be ChatGPT. All of you were just banging your head on this particular jargon. Doesn't mean that his point was very good. Doesn't mean that he actually wins it. All of you lost the entire game. So try to stand out from the crowd. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में से वही आगे जाएगा जो अलग से दिखेगा, जिसका एक फ्रेश पर्सपेक्टिव होगा, जो सबको साथ में लेके आने की कोशिश करेगा और एक सबका पर्सपेक्टिव निकलवाएगा अगर नहीं निकलता है तो. When the group, I'll tell you very honestly, if I were in your place and I find a group which is not very active, I would give my points very confidently. At the same time, I would act as a moderator. So this is something which is going to get you somewhere else not. And do not forget, it's MBA interview which you're setting for. It needs to be completely formal. And you need to have control over your verbatim, your tonality, your expressions, your confidence. Because you're aiming to be a manager. And they expect you to have some sort of management skills. So when do you show it?
Interview.
Group discussions and interview.
So that is something which was lacking.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Let's take 2 minutes. I think just take in whatever we've discussed so far and let's reflect upon our next pointers. Any thoughts from your end?
So my question is how I can use formal while I can avoid with the first hand movement or anything?
I think probably just starts, standing in front of the mirror and let's say have a quick intro about yourself, like very basic. I mean, there would be very basic questions within the interview, like why do you want to go for an MBA? Tell me something about yourself. Prepare answers to these points and start speaking in front of the mirror. I think that is a tip which I got while preparing, and that is a tip which really helped me. So that is something which can. For you, Arpita, there are a lot of things I noticed about. Let's say while you talk, the moment you're gathering your thoughts, you roll your eyes like this. And that's pretty evident. And do you understand rolling your eyes? Not a very normal thing you would do in an interview. So altogether, it gives, you have got a very casual attitude. So whenever you sit for an interview, you sit, the way you sit, you need to put your shoulders upright. Okay, it should be a straight back and a little bit of hand movement, not too much कि तुम कथक ही करने लग गए. Have a sense of smile that you are actually promoting positivity around. Like take small pauses. Aditya, for you, आप बहुत जल्दी में बोलते हो.
Yes, I know.
I think you got too excited, or probably a little bit of nervousness really triggered it all. But I think आप थोड़ा सा pause ले लेके बोलो.
Yes, I know that very well.
तो बस यही सारी चीजें हैं. And Priyanshi, try to be more, expressive with your expressions and with your content also.
Okay.
और मतलब obviously all of us are very active on social media और ऐसा नहीं है कि जो चीजें मैंने बोली आपको पता नहीं थी. I'm sure आपको पता थी. Try to articulate and just remember कि ये जो 30 minutes है ना, this will either make your year or it's going to break it.
Yes, sir.
So put your entire head in these 30 minutes and eventually understand all of you are competing with each other. तो तुम्हें एक दूसरे को आउटलाइन करना है, does not mean कि एक दूसरे को काटने लग जाओ. But have a tap on what others are speaking. So you guys have pen and paper, but I do not think that, you really made notes of any specific things. Probably I would want to point out कि भाई, let's say X person said something like this. After that, I'm going to be speaking based upon that particular point. तो मैं उसमें भी बोलूँगा कि I understand your perspective and thought over it. However, I have got a different side towards this. Now, this is when I was discussing. This is what I do in discussion, right? कि अच्छा आपने ये बोला, हाँ, this is actually correct. This is I really appreciate this particular pointer and this input from your end. However, I've got a different perspective towards it. Now, this is a discussion. But I think what you guys were doing is, let's say Riya is speaking. Aditya is going to be waiting for Riya to get over so that he can just jump in with his thoughts, which is already he's been thinking so far. And in the meantime, Arpita is also just thinking and just waiting for Aditya to shut up so that she can just speak up. But in an ideal scenario, this thinking part was done only in the 3 minutes. Iske baad, it had to be a discussion. So where was the discussion? Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है. Are you guys ready to move over to the other topic, or do you want to wait for a minute?
A minute break, sir.
Have water or something, but देखो जरूरी है सारी चीजें करना.
Yes.
And to be very honest, while it was my interview, starting from the clothes I wear to the way I'm gonna hold my expressions, all of that needs to be practiced. Abhi, this is not a very tense scenario. It's a mock. I do not have anything to do in your selection. But
There's nothing at stake.
Yes, today nothing is at stake. It's a nice Sunday morning. Some of you woke up a little early, got ready. Aditya, I think you just woke.
No, sir. I woke up at 8. I just forgot to wear the coat, but I woke up at 8.
ठीक है. So it's all chill, Abhi.
Yes.
But when you walk in that room, in fact, that venue, it's gonna have butterflies in your stomach.
True.
And let's say if you prepare for 80 out of 100, trust me, you'll be able to deliver only 40. That too, if the day is good for you.
True.
अभी तुम्हारी आपस में भी एक दूसरे को लेकर के वो फीलिंग थी नहीं. जब तुम 5 लोगों को देखोगे उस रूम में जो कि compete कर रहे हैं तुम्हारे साथ to get into the same college, that's gonna radiate a very very different feeling altogether. और जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें कोई ऐसा टॉपिक मिले जिसके बारे में तुम्हें पता ही हो. नहीं पता है तो कैसे करोगे?
So I was wanted to ask that same thing, which you said that it was an abstract topic. Like we know a little bit about that topic, but what if the topic was not in our knowledge and we have never read about that topic? Then what will we do?
So in that case, I mean, obviously somebody will have something to say. तो थोड़ा सा पहले वेट करो, ठीक है? Do not jump in first, and just hear what others have to say. उनके thoughts के ऊपर dwell upon करो. अभी आप मेरे को कोई भी टॉपिक दो, अगर उसके बारे में किसी ने 5 लाइनें या 3 लाइनें भी बोल दी, तो मैं अगर उस टॉपिक के बारे में नहीं तो मैं उस लाइन को तो डिस्कस कर सकता हूँ. So let's say you talked about artificial intelligence killing jobs. मुझे नहीं पता कि how it is killing jobs. किसी ने बोला कि it's gonna automate the entire setup and automation के साथ साथ jobs market पे काफी इफेक्ट पड़ेगा. इससे मैं कम से कम ये तो ड्राइव कर सकता हूँ ना कि okay, so automation might affect the job markets, but it can also impact in positive way. Because मुझे ये भी तो लगे, मतलब मुझे ये पता है कम से कम कि automation से काफी सारी jobs create भी होती हैं. I myself am a computer science engineer. My job has been created because of automation. I love automation because wherever automation is there, my role is going to come in. Or let's say if I was a mechanical engineer, I would have resonated on that point. That I completely agree to what XYZ person has said, because if we consider the manufacturing scenario or the manufacturing setup, there has been a lot of places where people used to bank upon a lot of tasks manually. However, due to the automation of that entire setup, it's now all gone. So, अगर आपको टॉपिक के बारे में नहीं पता, then you don't take the lead. But at the same time, it's all the more reason why you need to be vigilant of what others are saying, so that you can delve upon that particular aspect. Does that make sense?
Yes.
थोड़ी सी पॉजिटिविटी रखो. आदित्य, आप भी थोड़ा सा ना मतलब रिलैक्स देखो. कॉन्फिडेंस आप कैसे शो करोगे? I am gonna sit, upright. I'll have my shoulders straight. I'll have a smile. पता है, अगर आप 5 लोगों के साथ रूम में बैठे हो ना, उसमें एक बंदा अगर बहुत स्ट्रेट बैठा है and he has a smile on his face, और आप वहीं पे नर्वस फील कर रहे हो, आप उसको देख के आपकी खुद बहुत बैंड बच जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
It happens. And how I do is probably at times I might be cracking in my own pants, but at the same time I'll have my smile. All is good. For at least those 30 minutes, everything is good. For that 30 minutes, I'm going to forget what was my thought in the morning, what life is going to be after this, probably what if I get selected or what if I do not get selected. For me, I think I would want to just live those 30 minutes to an extent that I radiate that energy towards the selectors that, I'm the person. ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में आ रहे हो क्या? Ease out हो जाओ. ऐसा नहीं है कि I mean I was not really trying to screw any one of you. The intent is just to make sure that you guys really take care of all of these things, because this was the same. I'll be very candid with you. I'll share an experience about myself. While I talk, I lose my smile and I raise my eyebrows. So it has been a common feedback for me that it looks very arrogant.
Yes, sir.
So while it was my interview, I really try to make a conscious effort कि मैं smile करता रहूं बीच-बीच में. But इसका ये मतलब भी नहीं है कि इतना smile करो कि पागल ही लगने लगो हर बात पे. या कोई कुछ बोल रहा है और आप हंस दे रहे हो. So it should not look like that you're putting somebody down. It should not look like that you're mocking somebody. All we are expecting is you to radiate a positive energy so that you come across as very confident individual. and that is something which they're looking in GD. GD में they're looking towards, I mean, your communication skills, how you talk. It's a business setup. You will be, let's say the business visionaries. So are you formal enough? To be very honest, अब चारों में से मुझे एक भी बंदा उस फॉर्मल एटीट्यूड का नहीं लगा. ठीक है. Second is, are we the leaders of tomorrow?
Not right now, sir.
For tomorrow, but आज तो नहीं लग रहे हो.
Not right now, sir.
Third, communication. Probably since each and everybody you knew that you were low on content, आपकी communication messed up हो गई थी. And I did put Arpita on the spot, but fillers were with everybody. So let's say whenever we start, I've just written down few points. ये तो मैं बताना ही भूल गया था. So Priyanshi, you had too much of fillers and too low on content. So I think we'll have to work on fluency a bit and probably watch as many as videos as you can on YouTube. Try to read about the current affairs and all of that. Okay. Also, I think Ria, and specifically it's for everybody as well, avoid negative words. It's not a debate. Never use words like I disagree or, on the contrary. Strong words nahi dene. Like, okay, thanks for that insight, Ria. However, I've got a different perspective towards it. And my feeling is this. That probably, yeah, Aditya, that's one of the famous thoughts we have so far. But I think we've got another topic onto the table, which is XYZ. So that's how you put it across. Okay. Arpita, again, आपका मैं वही कह रहा था कि मुझे सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा रेड फ्लैग ये लगा. मैंने इनफैक्ट आपके वर्ड्स लिखे हैं. आपने एक जगह की मैंने और एक जगह आपने बोला था कि दिस इज माय थॉट, कि ऐसा है. तो वो चीज बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब बहुत छोटी है और नहीं पता लगेगी. All the more reason why you need to be very, very, very conscious about it. ठीक है? Anybody who's left out? And one more thing. जब भी group discussion शुरू करते हो ना, it's not only the moderator you're talking to. That's actually the last person you look at. So while you say that, let's say I'm the person who's starting it, I would start like, hi, good morning, everybody. You look at everybody. Try to make eye contact with everyone. Do not look at single person. Okay? Try to include more people. Try to construct upon something. And I think the best person for me would be जिसने एक crisp intro दिया. अगर मुझे नहीं पता है ना कि topic क्या है, and I'm the first person who's asked to give an intro, I would start from a very random thing. Hi, good morning, everybody. My name is Abhineet, and I'm very glad to participate in this discussion. So as we know that our topic for today is whether ChatGPT is going to kill the search engines or transform them. I think it's one of the great ideas to talk about, and I think I'm really looking forward to the discussion since I think it's a hot topic for today. Now this would have been my intro. और even if अगर मुझे content पता है ना, मैं वहीं पे ज्ञान देना शुरू नहीं कर दूंगा. अर्पिता, for you I noticed कि आपने intro में ही अपना header बोला और आपने उसका explanation देना शुरू कर दिया. Intro is headlines only. I'll give you 30 seconds and then I'm going to cut you. और आप लोगों ने intro में ही अगर बोल लोगे तो आप 10 मिनट में क्या करोगे? And in those 10 minutes, the floor is open. या तो अगर बहुत ज्यादा कंटेंट है तो पहले ही कूद जाओ, और अगर आप पहले नहीं कूदे हो तो then store your content, also listen to the others and then speak. Make sure अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा बोल भी रहा है तो उनके जहां पे पिच में लो आए उसमें वहां घुस जाओ. कोई अगर 1 मिनट से ज्यादा बोल देगा, your chance is gone. ठीक है? I think too much of feedback. Let's say I think my feedback was more than the overall group discussion, but I hope it helped somewhere.
Yes, definitely.
Constructive criticism.
ठीक है. So let's move towards the other topic if you're good.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope nobody's using internet because मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. But देखो, it's important to prepare yourself for scenarios जिसके लिए आप actually prepared नहीं हो. And to be very honest, मुझे मेरा first topic बहुत easy लग रहा था. और मैंने स्टार्टर के लिए बहुत इजी रखा था, तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि मैं अपना सेकंड टॉपिक चेंज करूं कि वही रखूं, बट मैं let's go with the second topic. So first one was really abstract. It was not current affairs. This is actually current affairs. So how Lakshadweep can become a major tourist destination? 3 minutes to consolidate your pointers. Okay, guys, let's start. So, firstly, we'll go with Priyanshi. Would you want to take the floor?
Hello everybody. So on the argument, I would like to suggest that, like we already know, it's a hot topic right now that PM Modi tweeted about the picture on X app about Lakshadweep beaches being the new tourist destination. So how Lakshadweep can be a big tourist spot is that if all the government and if the government sectors, private sectors, and the local communities come together and work on it being a great tourist spot.
Next up, Aditya.
Hi everybody. So I would like to contribute. I would like to say that the Lakshadweep Island is going to be the next destination because since due to the latest policy which happened on.
I think Aditya, your voice is breaking.
And there is so much sound from the back.
Yeah, there's a background noise too. Even I couldn't hear well. Probably you can fix that up. In the meantime, Ria, would you want to go for 30 seconds?
Okay, so Lakshadweep has got every aspect for a tourist destination. It's rich marine diversity. It's natural beauty. The only thing it's lacking is that it's low key. It is not promoted enough. So I would say for Lakshadweep to become a hot tourist destination, promotion and advertisement with government is important.
Okay, Arpita.
Hi everyone, my name is Arpita. So my topic is basically I will go in line with the thought that Lakshadweep is going to be the next tourist destination, and all this has started with the conversation between Maldives and Lakshadweep, and Prime Minister Modi visited Lakshadweep Island and he tried to promote that we all should visit Indian islands and we all should visit the new destinations of India, explore so that our Indian economy will boom. And this is how it all started. So I think, yeah, my point.
Aditya, your views?
So is my voice audible now?
Yeah, you are.
So hi everybody, my name is Aditya. So I would like to enlighten this topic by saying that Lakshadweep is going to be the next big tourist destination by promoting in a proper way, by advertising it, as correctly Riya said. He said that by promoting and by giving more advertisement and by promoting more of Lakshadweep, will promote the. Sir, I can't. Sorry.
It's okay. So yeah, we now have the floor open for. We'll keep it a little short this time. We have the floor open for 6 minutes.
Okay, so basically the conversation started from Maldives and Lakshadweep. This was a main controversy a few months back when few presidents of Maldives wrote some derogatory comments on Prime Minister Modi's Twitter when he visited Lakshadweep Island and he was trying to promote it. But my major point is that Lakshadweep won't change how people do Maldives or how we are, It will be a next hot tourist destination for quite some time, but because the lack of hotels, the lack of management there, and like the tourism minister recently said that they will be working very actively on how Lakshadweep is going to look like. They will increase the accommodation and everything in the near time. But I don't think that is going to be anytime soon because the number of people who can Lakshadweep right now is not more than the people who were visiting Maldives in the back because we don't have that much accommodation, don't have that much resources available in Lakshadweep at this moment.
I agree with Arpita as she said that right now Lakshadweep, it is difficult for it to become a hot tourist destination. I believe that there's lack of infrastructure to promote. The topic given to us is how Lakshadweep can become a hot tourist destination. For that, I think so. It needs to attract tourists. Right now, Lakshadweep is not at the radar of anybody for tourist destination. For that, government needs to promote tourism to Lakshadweep, provide easy visa, and infrastructure obviously plays a very important role. Accommodation, tourist facilities, and to attract tourists, activities like water sports, marine drive. These are all necessary for it to become a hot tourist destination.
I kind of disagree with the points Riya and Arpita said that India needs to work on the infrastructure. But now, after during this time, the patriotism in our country is at peak. Like people are too much patriotic at the moment after the Ram Mandir and the controversy which happened on X between Prime Minister Modi and the officials from Maldives. So with that spark, now we have read the news that Tata is started to build they have. Funded to build at least 2 to 3 hotels and villas over there in Maldives, and also the infrastructure is developing, and more and more jobs are being created in Maldives, and Maldives is also left behind because initially it was not properly under human it was not civilized. It was basically it was left behind from the country. But now with the latest controversy and the infrastructure, it will obviously boom in the upcoming future.
Yes, as Aditya correctly mentioned that a lot of infrastructure development is needed in Lakshadweep. So I think when government and private sector together like contribute in that, infrastructures, hotels, and all can be made. At the same time, I think the culture promotion in Lakshadweep is a great attraction because, as we know, there are some tribes that are still living in Lakshadweep. So their culture can be promoted through digital marketing, and it can like attract tourism a lot.
India is all about culture, like Priyanshi and Aditya mentioned, and it will obviously benefit us if we are promoting our culture because it separates us from the others.
And yeah, you are correctly said, Ria. But now apart from culture, now the patriotism is also playing a major part in doing things. Like for example, after that, because initially the Ram Mandir Foundation was led, and during that time, the upcoming major event was Ram Mandir, and during that time, the controversy happened. So people were all patriotic towards Modi, and then all the thing now people. If you have read the news, and many people have cancelled their flights for Maldives and are starting to book the flights to Lakshadweep. So, in my opinion, patriotism and a feeling of patriot also plays an important role in growing of Maldives and things.
I completely understand. Please go.
Please. You please go.
Okay, so as you said, patriotism plays an important role, but it will only play. I completely understand your point, but in my opinion, tourism from outside India, from the world, is also important, and we need to attract that as well.
Yeah, for that we need to do advertising, and all those things.
Yes,
and I think you all completely said it very rightly that we have to promote it in a certain. But I tend to disagree with these statements. I think I have a different viewpoint for the same. We have already promoted Lakshadweep a lot with the Prime Minister posting it on X, writing it, and we have a lot of controversy. The news, it was in the news article for like 6 to 6 days. From Iran also. A very prominent person from Iran also mentioned the same thing, that Lakshadweep Islands are very beautiful. There is a very beautiful marine drive. All of the celebrities who are socially accepted in the various countries have also mentioned the same. So I think promoting it digitally without doing anything, we have already done it enough. And now we should majorly focus on such infrastructure to accommodate such kind of strength in Lakshadweep because, recently I was also seeing the flight tickets for Lakshadweep and it was on the hike. So yeah, in my viewpoint, we should now actively work on the infrastructure and how we can accommodate all.
So now we'll be moving towards the conclusion. Ria, would you want to conclude it in 30 seconds?
After this discussion and considering everybody's point, I think that Lakshadweep will soon be becoming a tourist destination. But as of now, it is in the controversy, and the tourism it is getting from is basically India. And to reach worldwide, it needs to work on its infrastructure.
Okay, Priyanshi.
So, in concluding, I would say that Lakshadweep is still developing. So, I think all of that, like marketing, infrastructure development, and government sector and local sector coming together to build it, and the culture promotion, of course, will all lead to attraction of tourism.
Anything more to say? You had 10 seconds over. Aditya.
So in my conclusion, I would like to say that infrastructure and all those things are being done in Maldives and being done in Lakshadweep, and all the infrastructure and like all the tourism will lead. But for major tourism destination, for it to become, it need to be like in the it is needed to be in the market trend that everybody is going, so people just follow market trend. So if it comes a market trend, everybody will go and the tourism will boom over there.
Arpita, you?
So I think everybody.
So I want to add this point. I wasn't sure. This is from my side. I wanted to add.
Arpita was speaking at right.
Okay. Sorry.
So everybody has their own part, but my point here is already
Arpita, your voice is not reaching me for some reason.
Is it now?
Yeah, speak up.
Am I audible?
Now you are. I think probably you should come closer to the mic or something. Your voice is not being picked.
So yeah, everybody have rightly mentioned their point. So in my viewpoint, Lakshadweep is already in the limelight right now. It is already the hottest, destination travel. We should go digital and of course target good of the people worldwide, and we try to become a favorite destination. But before achieving that height, we need to focus on the infrastructure, and we should try to work on the accommodation that I mentioned in all my points. That work on the
Absolutely. Got it. Thanks. So I think this was done. So, Ria, whenever you've got points, one single shot, say it all.
Yes, sir. I wanted to add this fact actually that Maldives is of 2,000 islands, right? Maldives is a collection of 20 or 2,000 islands together, and the only thing different from Lakshadweep, it is different from Lakshadweep is that Maldives is providing private islands to people with resorts and all the facilities.
That's okay, but all of these points should have been included in the discussion.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Again, very quickly I'll go. Priyanshi, a lot of fillers it's constantly going on. Practice extempores, watch videos, start speaking, have just conversation. I would say extempore is the best thing which you can do because एक पॉइंट पता है मुझे अगर बोलने को बोलोगे ना जब तक तुम लोग नहीं रोकोगे मैं नहीं रोकूंगा ठीक है you guys run out of context so that's a problem तो थोड़ी सी अपनी subjectual contextual knowledge increase करो ठीक है Priyanshi you take pauses okay and you got in very good point about culture promotion so that was something which was very new on the table so try to modulate your voices that I mean, I agree about the promotion and, promotional activities which you've been saying. But cultural promotion is something, which is of high importance when you talk about a country like India. So, emphasize it. तुम्हारा ना वो बहुत strong point ऐसे ही निकल गया.
Okay.
Again, so when you got something very unique, make sure people see that you've got something very unique. ठीक है? Aditya, you got blank. Your start was messed up. So your end was messed up. I'm not sure why. I know that you were not aware of this particular topic.
So I was aware of this topic. I had thoughts on my mind, but during the time I was saying I got nervous, so that's why I was unable to speak the points.
Correct. तो इस चीज को थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल करो आप क्योंकि आप ना बड़ी जल्दी बोलते हो. Again, I could see the same thing. थोड़ा ना आर्टिकुलेशन पे वर्क करो कि मतलब थॉट्स गैदर करो फिर बोलो. ठीक है. पहली वाली अगर डिस्कशन से नर्वस हो रहे हो तो वो नर्वसनेस के लिए नहीं था. इट वाज जस्ट सो दैट आई कैन पिन पॉइंट दोस पॉइंट्स सो दैट कुछ भी छोटा सा भी ना बचे. अगर आपको कुछ लगता है कि रीच आउट टू मी probably on LinkedIn or anywhere.
I wanted to ask one thing that I included the patriotic thing in my thought. So should I add this in my topic or not? Like patriotism.
See, it was good to see. I'll tell you what. मुझे ये लगा कि आपको ये टॉपिक नहीं आता है. Your intro was messed up, but your comeback in the mid was good. अब पेट्रियोटिज्म से इंटर कर लिया बट एटलीस्ट अब नहीं पता चल रहा है तो जरूरी थोड़ी कि बार बार पेट्रियोटिज्म ही लेके आओ. डेवलप अपॉन अदर्स पॉइंट. अब कोई कल्चरल के बारे में कह रहा है अब इंडिया कल्चर के बारे में भी नहीं बोल सकते क्या? वो बोल सकते हो उस पे ग्रो कर लेते. ठीक है वो एक चीज आप उस पे वर्क करो. अब इस तरह से ब्लैंक नहीं हो सकते. इंट्रो पे थोड़ा सब लोग काम करो. ठीक है. Whether the topic is aware to you guys or it is not aware to you guys, you've got ample of resources on YouTube. Let's say you go on YouTube or on ChatGPT or on Google Bard, look for generic intros for starting a group discussion in 30 seconds. And ऐसा करो कि अपने पेरेंट्स के पास बैठो, सिबलिंग्स के पास बैठो, फ्रेंड्स को बैठो, मेरे को कॉल कर लो, किसी को भी कर लो, एक जेनरिक टॉपिक उठाओ और वो देखो कि वो 30 सेकंड्स की जेनरिक इंट्रो में बैठ रहा है क्या. Try to work on the intro. First impression is the last impression, and that we really stand by that. Arpita, for you, again, very repetitive in terms of your words. Be very clear as to what you speak. Few presidents. Instead of saying couple of ministers from XYZ country, you said Maldives, the few presidents from Maldives. A country cannot have multiple presidents, right? So, be very clear on what you speak, Art, and also, I think you mentioned numerous times that Maldives versus Lakshadweep. However, it was Maldives versus India, never Lakshadweep. So thoda sa, factual things. And again, your connecting word, I found a new one, matlab. So you explain something and then aapne matlab bola, and Riya aapne bhi same cheez kari thi.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, again, work on intro. And one thing was again very repetitive. Content आने लगा था सबके intro में, तो intro थोड़ा अलग होना चाहिए. Again, जैसे मैंने बोला 30 seconds का intro सब prepare कर लेना, generic वाला. And prepare yourself for both the situation. एक जिसके topics आपको पता हो, दूसरे आपके नहीं पता हो. 2 ही 3 तरह के टॉपिक्स आते हैं. वन इज करंट अफेयर्स, उसमें अयोध्या राम मंदिर हो सकता है, लक्षद्वीप वर्सेस मालदीव्स एंड ये वाला टॉपिक हो सकता है, एंड इंडिया स्टैंड्स इन रशिया एंड लेट्स से द रशियन वॉर, रशिया यूक्रेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड इजराइल पैलेस्टीन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, इंडिया स्टैंड्स ओवर इट, and probably elections, which is 2024 elections for Narendra Modi, how that's going to look like. Also in a formal setup, whenever you say, when you talk about the Prime Minister, आप घर पे बोल देते हो कि हम मोदी ये कर रहा है, मोदी वो कर रहा है. In a formal setup, either it's Honorable Prime Minister of India or it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Don't go casually saying Modi. वो हमारे चाचे का लड़का नहीं है, ठीक है? And also, Riya, I like the way you stick to the topic. So it's not ideal to mention ki, we need to stick to the topic like XYZ is the topic. So probably articulate it in a better way.
Articulated in a better way.
All of us are actually discussing in this one of the favorite topics of this. So these are my thoughts. Again, some of you were very negative that, specifically you, Aditya, I completely disagree. No. So thanks for that insight. I also have another perspective towards it. And moreover, adding on to what you say, let's look at it in this manner. So this shows collaboration, not aggression. So yeah, I think that is all I had from my end. I hope I was able to help you out somewhere or the other. If my feedback caused a lot of steam, I apologize for it. But at the same time, I would want you to dwell upon it. So that was the only intent.
Sir, I have a question. So, the topic given to us was how. So we were supposed to give ideas, right? Like this whole discussion was supposed to be on ideas. How can Lakshadweep become a tourist? Not, and a little bit facts could have been added.
My take towards this would be that discussion is something which is driven by you. If I was a part of the crowd, and if I was a person in the discussion, I would bring out points like Lakshadweep is actually one of the great destinations, and all of us must have seen beautiful pictures which is put by Honorable Prime Minister, post which a number of influencers have started going in there, and I'm mesmerized with the beauty and the scenics from there. However, I also feel that there is a lot of scope, since we are looking forward to have all of you know about Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes.
Why did not anybody say that?
Self-reliant.
Why are we really trying to go out to a different country, spend even more money? Why not just have and enjoy our own set of atmosphere? So for that, what all would we need? We would need infrastructure, we would need water, we would need hotels, we would need development for their own local people. You would need hospitals, right? So when you go to a tourist place, you would want hospitals, you would want police stations, you would want more control,
Security.
you would want
Connectivity.
hospitality, you would want fun elements. Talk about that. Did we? We did not.
Sir, I mentioned that in my intro. So I should have
That was
mentioned
wrong.
it.
That's exactly what I said. Your content was an intro, and your
Yes.
discussion did not have your content, so it's no good to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So I have to make an intro and then bring my content.
That's what I
slowly
said.
in the discussion.
Create a generic intro so that you can fix it anywhere. And ऐसा generic intro होना चाहिए. मैं कोई भी topic दो मैं intro दे सकता हूँ. Intro. Just talk about yourself a little bit about on topic and what you feel about it. Like if you talk to me about elections, I would say, thanks for the topic, and it's one of the burning issues which we have currently. And I feel that BJP has got a very strong chance for the work they have done. And this is going to be still a competitive vision and a place where the Indian population can actually show their insight. That's all. Now I'm going to dwell upon what I feel about BJP, why I feel that India population is supporting them, what is the flow like, what do the competition look like in my discussion, not in my intro. Again, try to understand headlines only in the interview, passage in the discussion.
Okay, sir.
Anything
You
else?
want to change our stand to it? How should we do it?
Nobody, see, it's not a debate, it's not a school that anybody's taking care of your stand. It's a collaborative thinking. Moreover, I would say I would really appreciate it if you're able to Not saying that you should blatantly do it, because it completely depends upon the mindset of interviewer. But the positive way to look at it is that you're collaborative enough that when you take in thoughts from others, you actually take it into consideration. And as a manager, it's one of the great traits that you really take in positive from people and accept it into your outlining. So I think that is something it's okay. But again, it depends that how you articulate it. Currently, you guys are behaving as if it's a debate. You guys are there in an inter-school debate competition, and I stand for the topic. I stand against the topic. Obviously, we're not here to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Cool. Watch a lot of videos. There are ample of it on YouTube. Stay confident. Talk to yourself in the mirror. You're gonna look very dumb while you do this, but it's okay to do it. Do it multiple times. Create a generic intro, and consciously stop putting fillers. Wherever you get stuck, stop.
Okay, sir.
A quick pause for 20-30 seconds is okay. And make it a note whenever you hear, let's say, Gautam Adani, though he's not a very great communicator, but let's say you talk about any personality, you take Ratan Tata or any person who you feel is intellectual. किसी की भी video देख लेना, they pause, they think, and they speak. This actually shows that they gather their thoughts. आप भी expression दे दो that you're gathering thoughts, but don't pause for too long. 1 or 2 seconds is good. ठीक है? So think before you speak, rather than you start speaking just like you did, Aditya, and you eventually mess up. So don't do that. Okay? I hope this is all good and we are all covered.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. Awesome. It was really nice meeting you guys, but I think there's a lot of preparation which we need to do from our end. So abhi chill hoke mat baithna, ruin your Sunday, work as much as you can and get this done.